A culture of bacteria in number according to the function n of t equals 3000 times the quantity 1 plus 4t over t squared plus 100, where t is measured in hours and n is the number of bacteria. Find the rate of change of the number of bacteria. The rate of change is the derivative, and so n prime of t equals 3000 is the constant multiple, so we would rewrite 3000 times. The derivative of 1 is 0. For the derivative of 4t over t squared plus 100, which is a quotient, so we will use the quotient rule. First, we square the denominator, t squared plus 100, the quantity squared. Then we take the derivative of the numerator, which is 4 times the denominator, minus, we keep the numerator 4t times the derivative of the denominator, which is 2t plus 0. Simplifying this, we have 3000 times 4t squared plus 400 by distributing the 4, minus 8t squared, and then over t squared plus 100 squared. And so this is 3000 times 400 minus 4t squared, because 4t squared minus 8t squared is negative 4t squared, over t squared plus 100 squared. This is the rate of change of the bacteria in number. Find n prime of 0. We have derivative n prime. To evaluate n prime of 0, we simply plug 0 into where t is, 3000 times 400 minus 4 times 0 squared over 0 squared plus 100 squared. And so this is 3000 times 400 over 100 squared, which is 10,000. The numerator of 3 times 4 is 12, 5 zeros. The denominator is 10,000, 1 with 4 zeros. The 4 zeros cancel out, so we end up with 120. The unit is the number of bacteria per hour. What this means is that initially, when time is 0, the bacteria number is increasing by 120 per hour. To evaluate n prime of 30, we simply plugged in 30 into the derivative n prime. 3000 times 400 minus 4 times 30 squared over 30 squared plus 100. Don't forget to square it. Put this in the calculator. We will see that it is negative 9.6, and the unit is the number of bacteria over hour. What does this mean? We already interpreted n prime of 0 at t equals 0. The number of bacteria is increasing by 120 per hour. What about n prime of 30 equals negative 9.6 bacteria per hour? After 30 hours, the number of bacteria in this culture of bacteria is decreasing by 9.6 per hour. What that means is that going from t equals 30 to t equals 31, the bacteria decreases by 9.6 for each additional hour.